Hi, and welcome to Harlowlicious Cat Cam Corner. So, I have a problem with my SolidWorks. I've been working on a little bit small assembly, but and I saved it, and everything's on my desktop. It's not on anything external. So it's on the original hard drive on my laptop. No cloud-based, no nothing. So I'm opening it. I figured it. Boom, gone. So I'm figuring what? So browse for the part, and everything's here, you know. In the see, this is referencing the wrong. Okay, so I'll reference it again. Then I unsuppress it. We do the same thing here, open part, browse for file, desktop. And then I have to answer if everything's correct now. Right, so now my assembly is right, how it's supposed to be. So I'm saving it. And this save as assembly 2. Even now it's on my desktop, so it's nothing external. I save it here. Save as, include all reference components. I think that might, I don't know, that's helping. Let's try it. Save. A file, but Excel example. Yes. So, in my head, it should be good, right? I close this down, close that down. Now I'll reopen it. And you can see all parts are in my folder, right? I don't know if, so just see what happens. And it's all gone again. Yeah. I'm perplexed by this one. I don't know what to do. So if anyone, almighty wise one, sitting out there with the information how to fix this, please let me know. Over and out from Harlowlicious Cat Cam Corner.